Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make watermark in Capcut. In here, I have imported my video to my project in Capcut, and we are going to make watermark for this video. Let's get started. First of all, click on this text option. Then you have to choose add text right here. Then type the watermark that you like. And for example, I'm going to write my name to this watermark. And you can choose the font that you like. There will be a lot of options for you, and you can choose it as you like. And I'm going to choose Helium font. Just click on the font that you like, and after that you can also change this the style of the font by clicking on style option right here. And if you want to make it transparent, you can click on opacity. You can reduce the opacity until 50%. Or maybe 40%. After that, we can click on this check mark. Alright, and we can adjust the length like this. Alright, and let's check it together. Okay guys, that's how we can make watermark in Capcut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.